You're about to be one of the first to lay your eyes on this new thumbstick. KontrolFreek sent me this mystery package. I have no clue what's inside other than that it is a new addition to their current lineup. So thanks to KontrolFreek for sending me this. We're gonna do a quick unboxing video and let's get started. All right, let's see what is inside. Good gracious, that was one of those tough KontrolFreek boxes to open. So, what do we got in here? Man, this is a first. This is super secret packaging here. Yeah, that's the only thing inside, so we'll toss this to the side. And here we go. Inside we have the CQC. So here they are. It's been a while since I've seen these. I used to always mix one of these with the Ultra Sticks. So you got the low rise and then the regular mid rise for them, but you do have the improved 4-prong design, so it stays on your controller better versus the 3-prong design, which is probably the last time these things were available with. Pop that one on the right one there. It came on or got on there pretty easy. Pop that one on the left, and you can see there you have it. Now, if you're wondering what the big deal is about the CQC, these, as well as the Ultra thumbsticks, were the original KontrolFreeks that released about like 8 years or so ago. But they haven't been available on the official KontrolFreek site for quite some time now. They've had new staples like the Omni and the Galaxy and the Battle Royale that get rotated in and out alongside other, special edition KontrolFreeks. And I know there are a decent amount of people that prefer that original design like we see in the CQC. And if that's you, I suggest you act fast because word on the street is these will not be available for that long. I will say these feel just like they did before, but they are much more grippier and stickier than I remember them being. Probably because they are using the new surface formula that KontrolFreek has been using lately. But yeah, if you're interested on the science behind how these help improve your aim, I'll refer you to another video of mine I've done. I'm pretty sure I've covered these in a previous video as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all that needs to be said about the CQC. If you want them, make sure you act fast before they are gone. There is a limited amount, and be sure to use the coupon code that you're seeing down below right here. It's on the screen right now. There'll probably be a link down below that you can click as well and order through that. You'll save yourself a little discount and it'll help support the channel as well. That'll be it for this quick video. Thanks to KontrolFreek for sending these my way, and I'll catch you on the next one.